Let's have a look through our online exam portal. So in this video, we'll be just taking an overview. We won't be discussing all the key features. So here's a dashboard. There's an online student section. This will show all the online student which are currently using the app. There's a taskboard section in which we can assign a task to a student or a particular class. We'll discuss in detail in a different video. There's a student section, so all class of a student can be seen separately, and there's a all student section. Here we can add with all the details of a student, and in the view section, view button, we can view all the details of a student, and we can see in the result section all the results till now a student have appeared for it. Then we can move to the online test section, which is a crucial one in which we can create a paper. So there is a normal paper section in which we can create and we can fill all the details of negative mark number of questions simply. Then there is a quick generation section and there is an advanced paper section. In advanced paper section, we can choose all different type of possibilities: single correct, multiple correct, integer, numerical type, passage, and match the column type of questions we can upload here. Then there's a quick generation section. Here we can just enter the name and we can create a old version of JEE, new version of JEE, or a NEET paper. Then in the list we can see all the simple created paper. So these are the all features of a simple created paper. We'll discuss all the features in detail in a different video. But to upload a paper, it is very simple. Click on the upload. There's a two box, one for the question and one for the solution. It says 50 file uploaded. That means 50 question and been uploaded, and there's a 0 file section. So to upload, just click on the choose and choose a file. We can choose all the photos to upload all the questions here, and then we can see all the papers here. So there are different features to upload an answer, to update any answer, publish, to see the syllabus, to download a paper. We can just download the question paper and answer key in a full, like we view in this section. Like we can see all the questions, we can view all the questions here with all those answers. Then there is a online test series section. Then there is a result section in which we'll see all the results of the students. So there will be total number of count, how many students have appeared for that test. So let's see the result. In the result section, we can see the result of a particular student. So let's see a result. So there will be so many features in the result. I'm just giving you a look how these can be varied so simply. So there are so many features in that. We'll discuss about all those features and calculation in a different video. We can see the question also, like a particular question, if a student haven't attempted that question. Then we can also send the results to all the students just by one click. So this is a message sending button in which we can send the text results to all the students. The sample will be like that: name, detail, paper detail, student name, total score, and particularly its overall rank in the class and different subject marks. Then there is a recycle archive section in which all the deleted details will be there, and there is a setting section